Guys, I'm back again in the kitchen. I'm making Jamaican Christmas cake, guys. If you want to see how I make my yummy and moist Christmas cake, come along and enjoy. What I'm doing now, guys, I'm just preparing my baking tin, cutting out my parchment paper to put in my baking tin when I butter my baking tin. That's what I'm doing, okay? That's my key. Don't stick to the pan. Next, you're going to need a container to process your sugar and your butter. So same amount of sugar, flour and butter, supposed to be the same amount. So I'm going to use 2 cups of sugar and 2 cups of butter. And I'm using dark sugar, not white sugar. Okay guys, so this is 1 cup of sugar. If this is your first time you're making a Christmas cake, this is for you. Okay guys? Okay. 2 cups of butter. Next, you're gonna need a mixer. You can use your, back in the days you usually use your hand with a spoon. Yeah, and you just mix it until it gets smooth. So what I'm gonna use is my mixer. I'm just gonna mix all my sugar and my butter. I'm gonna put it on number 1 first. You take your time and just mix it around. Just gonna mix it until it gets smooth. You just take your time and just, this is 1, I'm gonna put it at 3. Just gonna mix out this. Combine it. We're gonna mix until the sugar dissolves. Yeah. Turn it up, and this is how my butter should look so far. I mix it for 10 minutes. Yes, and you're gonna need your eggs. I'm gonna break them in this container here. Could I break it in that, but in case it was not good, you don't want to take the risk there. So you just put it at low speed. Just want to add the next set. Gonna put all of it in there. Just gonna take my time and turn up the speed. And the deeper your baking container is the better. The place now gets to mess up, so that this is better. The deeper your container is. Just use a spatula and just clean up on the side. What I'm gonna do now is to add my lemon, and this lemon give the cake flavor and take away the rawness from the cake. Okay, I'm gonna wash it, and here I have my lemon. I'm just gonna grate the skin in my mixture. And it's just the white part. You grate up off your lemon. Okay. Next, make sure you take out all the lime seed take out all the seed from your lemon, okay? Just gonna squeeze the lemon juice in there. Just gonna mix it. Two teaspoons of vanilla. Mix. Next, I'm gonna put this aside and prepare my dry ingredients. I'm gonna need 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of mixed spice, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. What I'm gonna do next is my mixed fruits. Okay, guys, this is my raisin. I've been soaking this for a while, so I'm just using 2 cups of raisin in this Christmas cake. 2 cups, and depends on how smooth you want your Christmas cake. You can let your Christmas cake, you can blend out your raisin. I am not gonna blend it out all the way smooth because I like when I'm eating the Christmas cake, I just taste a little roughness in there. So guys, depends, you can blend out your raisin if you want, but if you don't, you just don't blend it right out. Okay, so just gonna blend this. The reason why I don't put any rum or alcohol in there when I'm mixing it, because I was soaking it, and trust me, I soak it in a lot of rum and a lot of red label. So guys, that's why I don't put any in there, and the blender it free up. Guys, come back to my wet ingredients. What I'm gonna add to my wet ingredients now is my flour. Just gonna use my spatula and just combine all of this together. And don't put everything in there at once, just take your time and just put little by little. Guys, I'm just gonna add the rest of my flour, and at this time you can just go and preheat your oven. That's when you're ready. If you put in your cake, the oven well hot. Never put in a cake and the oven are hot. Always make the whole preheat the oven half an hour before that it can well hot. Okay. You know, that helps you make a cake come out good. Okay? Yeah. What I'm gonna add to this now is my fruit. And what is in my fruit is cherry, a mixed peel, prune, and raisin. I'll put little wine in my blender. So just rinse out this, what is in there. And there's nothing, okay? Next, I'm gonna add my browning. Now is the time for the browning to go in. I'm gonna measure my browning so you understand exactly what to do. This is 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Depends on how dark you want your cake. 3, 4. Depends on how dark you want your cake. So that's all up to you, okay? So I'm gonna put 4 in there, okay? So let's see how dark this gets. It's coming like an exercise. I'm not gonna use my mixer, I just rather use my hand, okay? Right, left, and then go down to the bottom because you don't want any flour or anything to in the bottom where you don't get. Okay, yeah. I think I'm gonna put a little more browning in there. This is 5 teaspoons, 5 tablespoons of browning. Okay, I think that is half buckle of browning. Yeah. So a nice look. Ingredients in the description box, okay? So look down there for the ingredients. And I'm gonna let this bake for 1 hour and 15 minutes. And I'll show you how it look, okay? Oh, my hand hurt. My hand hurt. And don't be afraid for taste, okay? Yeah. Yes guys, what I'm doing now, I'm just putting some water in my oven to prevent my cake from getting burnt and to keep the moisture in my cake, guys. You can try it if you want, but it worked for me, so that's why I'm doing it. So enjoy. Okay guys, in this cake guys, it really come out good. I just a crack in the middle, and I didn't want that, but that's what happens sometimes when you're baking. So guys, I'm gonna put all the ingredients in the description box. You just try it and tell me all about it, because I know this is good. You're gonna love it, guys. Big up on yourself, and just share and comment and give me a big thumbs up if you love this video. Enjoy, and bye, and see the greetings. Bye, and bless you.